channel. So today what I'm gonna be reviewing for y'all is the cream contour and cream blush new Fenty Beauty products. So the products which I was able to get my hands on were Cheeks Out Chocolate and Crush on Cupid for the blush. So if you want to see how I created this look with these products and my first impression when I was applying them, everything like that, then please keep watching. And as I mentioned in the video later, you guys are so quick, or I'm slow, but I couldn't find any of the shades in these because you guys are real stans for Fenty, and I'm a stan too, but I was a bit late, so my bad. The first one I'm gonna go in with is the cream contour. So I've got this in chocolate, but to be honest, the only reason I got it in chocolate was because the rest of my shades completely was sold out. You guys are fast, but I think I was slow this time. Like, I was way too slow in getting these, so I was only able to get chocolate. And then I also got the cream in Crush on Cupid. This is a cute shade. So to be honest, with the creams, I wasn't too worried which
Every time I say cream here, just know I mean blush, lol.
shade I was gonna get with the creams, because I know like any cream shade you can make it look so cute on your skin. But the thing that I was scared of was the contour, just in case it's a bit too much for my skin. So we're gonna find that out right now, baby. I need to find like a good like contour brush. I'm gonna use the Scott Barnes, I think. So guys, you're gonna witness a few things today. The first time using my Scott Barnes brush for the contour, it looks so cool. Like, but firstly, like feeling the formula, it's so smooth and silky. Let me put it on my hand to see the shade. So this is chocolate, so it is quite a deep shade, so we got to go lightly. Okay, so the blush is much more sheer than the contour, so we can probably go a bit heavier with the blush, but for the contour, yeah, you know I'm a little bit cautious. So I'm gonna go in with my finger first and then just put that and dab it. So I'm gonna go dab, just put it in areas where I would usually contour lightly. And to be honest, the shade, not that bad. It's not a bad color match. Ooh, it smooths out really nicely. But yeah, with contour shades, even if you do have a little bit darker, as long as you don't pile it on, it should be fine. I like it. And then just blending it out how I usually would. And this brush, I do really like it. It's blending out nicely. I do want this to be like a really natural kind of look, so I'm not going OTT with the contour, just dabbing around. And if you know me, you already know I'm so reckless with where I put it. Okay, so talking about the shade which I would have picked for my skin tone, it would have been either Honey Glaze or Teddy. But the formula is really smooth, creamy, and it is very sheer. I think it only looked a bit more dark on my skin because of my skin shade. They are still sheer, like it's a very sheer contour. Lightly on the sides of my nose. Just bronze around. And for my nose contour, I'm literally just gonna blend out with my finger and bring it up into my eyebrow. So as you can see, it does like disperse quite well. And it is natural. I'm just gonna go over with my beauty blender, it's got a bit of my foundation on it to make sure it all merges. See, I can imagine myself using this like on holiday when I just want a nice, quick, natural contour glam. If you like natural looking contour, this one is for you. And the chocolate has worked quite well with my skin, but I know if I use like Honey Glaze or Teddy, especially Honey Glaze, that's more of a warm tone. That'd be exactly what I'd be looking for on a natural kind of look that I'd be doing. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight. Cognac Candy. This looks absolutely fire, like so fire. Cognac Candy. So it's highlight, but it's like not that thick highlight. It's quite dispersed. Okay, so now onto the Crush on Cupid. This is hella cute. The best way to do this, I think, is by applying it with your fingers. So yeah, as Riri said in the tutorial. So I'm just gonna, who knows me? You know I'm crazy on blush, baby. So we're gonna go, woo, looking cute. But you know what? I usually don't use cream blush. That's one thing. I'm usually not a cream blush girl. But I think I might, just might be converted. Okay, so as you can see, still very natural. Oh my god. Okay, I love these together. But it's like no makeup look, but you're obviously wearing makeup, but some people would be like no makeup, but okay. So what I'm gonna do, because I want to warm up my face a little, I'm gonna add a kind of more orangey tone. So I'm gonna use MAC Sun Power. I'm obsessed with this bronze. This bronze is everything. Same Scott Barnes brush, just brush around my face with the Sun Power, because this will give like a nice orange tint to it, which I was kind of missing with the chocolate just because of the type of skin tone I have. Woo! Yeah, honey. Okay, so now I'm just gonna spritz with the Fenty Beauty setting spray. I got this mini one just because it looks so cute on the side. I do need like a travel size setting spray. I don't have a travel size one. Wow, it's a very light spray. Is that how it's meant to be? Oh, I love it. Oh my god, this type of spray, you know, like the way the spray comes out of the thing, I don't want to waste it. I love that it like disperses so naturally, because a lot of these setting sprays, you can see how they come out of the sprayer. You can see how they come out of the sprayer, and it's literally like like all just in like clumps, and then you'll kind of see like dots of the spray on your face. And this, Lord, okay guys, so this is the finished look all together, and overall I really love it for a natural dewy look. For sure, the contour and the cream, at first, you know, because of my hand, I thought the contour would be a lot more thick and less sheer than the cream, but that's not. They're literally practically the same consistency in my eyes. I am literally in love. I've got nothing bad to say about these products. The only thing I would say is it's definitely for a more natural look, a summer glow, you know, that kind of vibe where you'd be on holiday, or you want something quick to do to make yourself look a little bit more snatched, a little bit more cute, you know, with the... So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching how the Fenty Beauty cream blush and cream contour came out on my skin. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up. Please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.